Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to you wonderful souls. Kia Cass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. And I'm so excited to be with you here in today's video. I am just feeling absolutely awesome. My subscribers are pumping every single day, so I'm really so excited about that. Really thank you to my beautiful community. You guys are really very, very special, and you are the very reason I keep doing these videos for you guys. Today we have a really awesome project that I believe could very, very likely in the future have a 267x. I know it's very hard to find certain projects that can do that kind of X, but at the end of the day, there are projects out there that do 100x's, 200x's, 300x's, 1000x's, and all kinds of things. But really what it is that we're looking for is adaptability, functionality, and of course what each of these projects are doing, what are the fundamentals of these projects, and of course liquidity and backing up and market cap and supply. So let's get into this crypto. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go do so right now immediately. That would be really awesome for you guys. And if you don't know anything about crypto yet and you'd like to learn, please click on the link down below that is pinned in the comments, and you will get on board, you will rock your life out, and you'll get started in crypto quite easily and not a problem. So 146 subscribers strong, guys, really absolutely awesome. So let's get into some of the cryptocurrency market caps. The cryptocurrency market cap today is sitting at 895 billion. We've had 48 billion trading volume in the past 24 hours, 37.5% market cap dominance, and you can see here that quite a number of coins have now officially fallen off the bandwagon. So that's okay. We're up 0.8% in the total market cap for the day. We're coming closer and closer to that $900 billion market cap, which is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm really looking forward to seeing us break through that little level, because right now the entire market cap is sitting underneath this resistance level of the $900 billion market cap. I'm going to show you that in a few moments. So Bitcoin 17,470, Ethereum 1337, BNB 278, XRP 36 cents, Cardano 31 cents, Dodge 7 cents, Polygon 86 cents, Solana at $16, Litecoin 82.17, Polkadot 4.91, Avalanche 12.54, Uniswap 5.76, and Chainlink 6.13. So, all right, guys, let's get into the Fear and Greed Index, and let's have a quick squiz at what is happening on there. There hasn't been much change from it since yesterday, so I do believe that we are still currently sitting at 26 on the Fear and Greed Index. And basically right now we can just have a look at what the ecosystem is doing. So you can see here 26, and it's pretty much the same as yesterday. So nothing changed, and we're pretty much still in the state of fear. So let's go and have a quick squiz here at what's happening in. As you can see here in the crypto bubbles, we have Mina protocol pumping again. FLR, I don't know what that is, pumping again. A few coins pumping here today, but a little bit of a mix and read. And the coin that we're going to be speaking about today is Millionaire. So let's quickly have a quick squiz at what's happening with Bitcoin. And as you can see here on this sloping trend, Bitcoin is trying to break through, as well as the horizontal line. I do believe you're going to come up. I do believe you're going to try and tap out on this 19,000 level. So let's just be patient here in this space. As you guys know, it's a great point to accumulate for a very, very long term trend. So just be patient. That's all you need to do. Just be patient. Just accumulate, whether it's altcoins, Bitcoin, whatever. Just remember to sell out of altcoins and take profits at certain points, guys. Ethereum is really on the weekly time frame, is still looking extremely bullish. So I do believe that we've got some good magic ahead of us. So So what I was talking about earlier in the total crypto market cap, as you can see, my turquoise line is basically that resistance point that I was talking about in terms of price value, and we are now waiting to break back above that. If we can break back above that, I do believe that we'll get back above the $1 trillion market cap. It might not happen immediately, but we certainly will be here very soon. The same thing with the altcoin market cap. The altcoin market cap is literally getting ready to absolutely explode, and that's why you're going to want to be watching this video right now to the very end, because this coin that I'm about to speak could easily 270x your money. And that coin is the Zilliqa. So Zilliqa, as you can see, is on 134,000 watch lists. Its current price is 0.0229. And its market cap is 371 billion. Its trading volume is 113.14 million. Fully diluted is 486 million. Total circulating supply is 16 billion. Total supply is 17 billion. Maximum supply is 21 billion. Okay, so that's pretty interesting and decent numbers. Look at where Zilliqa has been before and look at where we are today. So Zilliqa is 91% down from its all-time high, 6th of May. That's one day before my birthday. Interesting, in 21. And it's still 868% above its all-time low. So it's still a very good project. Its dominance is 0.041%, and it's 92 on the market cap ranking. So let's go and have a squiz here at the chart, and then we'll see what Zilliqa is, and then we'll be able to look at where we at from here. So look at this bounce up from there, from all the way down here. Look at where we are today. So if we just had to get in to position here and take profit at the top here, that's 1,000% on your money. So if you took $100 and you got 1,000%, you would have $10,000. So just pretty much, yeah, it's about 100x up to that point, just over 100x up to just the all-time high. Now I believe Zilliqa, and this is on the weekly time frame, and I'd like to share with you quickly on the daily time frame what is actually going on. And let's just go quickly a nice look here. So yes, we pumped up crazy hard here. Do not be frightened by that, but what I do want to show you is that right now we have broken from the bottom of this descending channel. We have already broken the trend now. Okay, we've broken above it. We're retesting, finding some support here, and this wedge is pretty much all the way back up here. Okay, so which leads us to a very strong point of resistance at this kind of level here, double the points of where it's at today, but around this level is where we should Zilliqa to hit, and that would be in the near term. But this is also, of course, a very long-term trend. That's 162% from where we are, and as we already know, Zilliqa has already been pumping this week alone 40% up. So that's quite cool. Now, what is Zilliqa, guys? Very, very quickly. Design, build, and use powerful dApps. Zilliqa is a portal to the blockchain world, enabling you to create user-friendly apps. It's backed by research. You can stake. It's got its own wallet. You can buy on its exchange. Explore the world's first sharding-based blockchain. So that's what it is. It's got NFTs, it's DeFi, it's dApps, it's governance, and of course, who is building on the Zilliqa ecosystem? Well, you can come over and check out all of these projects that are busy building on the ecosystem, and it's quite an incredible ecosystem. I mean, you've got Auto Farm, Atomic, a couple other Moonlights, which is part of MoonPay. So all of these cool things that are within this project and within this space. Now, let's go quickly, even unstoppable domains. So now let's go and have a look at the potential of this project, and let us consider the investment space and what it would take for you to get to this point. So Guys, you always know that here I'm speaking about crypto in a very specific way. If you had $10,000 to invest, this is what your returns would be. We can always simply change this to $100, $1,000, whatever it is, and you can have a look at where we're at. But I do it this way so I can show you on how to become a millionaire within each of these cryptos. So current market cap is 371,000. Current price is 0.2 cents. If you invested $10,000, you get 436,681 coins. The previous all-time high was 25 cents. That gives us nearly an 11 to 1 ratio. So now, if Zilliqa ever had to hit a $10 billion market cap, it would be at a 62 cents, which is 3 times above its all-time high, which is not impossible, which would give you a 27x. So you take 10,000 and convert it into 270,000, right? That's amazing. That's amazing. If it ever had to get to a $100 billion market cap, which look, I do believe that it's very high, very possible that it can get to that point. I don't know. I'm not a genie in a bottle, but I think $100 billion for Zilliqa would be quite small considering the platform that it is. That would give you a 269x. That would take you to $6.17 per coin, and therefore you would have just about 2.7 million if you invested 10,000. So what would happen if you invested only $100? Let's do the math. If you only invested $100, you convert at that point you convert $100 into $27,000. So pretty decent. If it ever had to hit a $1 trillion market cap, maybe, I don't know, you would have a $61 price. I don't know, we don't know. But anything is possible in this space. I know this might not be necessary for this point, but you get a 2,695x, so you turn 100 into 270k. So that's crazy money, guys. Now let's go back to my 10,000, because that's where I want to look at and get you on board here properly. So millionaire status, you would definitely be a millionaire if you invested $10,000 and it came to the $100 billion price. You have just under $3 million here. What would you need to become a millionaire in the future at that price? Well, you would need to get yourself 162,000 coins at a total cost of $3,710 just to be a millionaire. It's not bad, guys. So if you had an accumulation goal of $1 million of these coins, $1 million of these coins would cost you $22,900, and that would then, once it hits these prices, you would have $6 million. So you would convert $22,000 into $6 million. That's absolutely crazy insane number, guys. You would turn $22,000 into $1 trillion market cap. You would hit $61.7 million. That's insane, guys. Now, who knows? Let's see. If you like this video, please drop your comments below. I would really appreciate hearing what you think about these videos, and please kindly hit the thumbs up for me, and obviously hit that notification bell so you know when I'm going to do another millionaire video just for you guys. Thanks for being here with me. I love you guys lots. We'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.